There is hardly enough time to talk about the accomplishments of our next guest. Let me start by welcoming Comcast Newsmakers to Purdue University. I'm Kevin Rader from WTHR in Indianapolis, and joining me is Dr. Negishi, who won the 2010 Nobel Prize for Chemistry, is a pioneer in developing metal-based reactions that allow for easy and efficient synthesis of complex organic compounds. He joins me now. Is that did I get it through the most simple way of explaining that?
You did all right, 99 point. Just one minor.
Thank you, Professor. I'll write that on here. Tell me what it's like to win a Nobel Prize, sir.
Well, this was, to be frank, was one of my lifelong dreams coming true. So I was very pleased. And life has been very, very, very hectic. But at the same time, I'm very pleased. I'm very glad that I won. And I feel my philosophy is to enjoy being the Nobel laureate. So I'm bearing with a very hectic life.
You are spending more time now in research. Are you happy that way, or are you sad that you're out of the classroom?
Well, I enjoy teaching, but I enjoy research more. So that subtraction or addition will give me, I'm happy.
You are working both here and then in Japan. Tell me a little bit about your life and how hectic it is.
Yeah, well, after the announcement, the whole country of Japan got so pleased and excited, and a few organizations, including the Ministry of Education and Science, gave me a sort of a part-time job. So part-time jobs can add up, and now maybe I have a double, triple time job.
Yeah. Tell me about what you're working on now.
So one of my biggest challenges right now is to try to solve some of the most important problems that mankind faces today. That, of course, one is, we all need food items. We need clothing items. We need building items. We need energy. So all these are getting scarce, more and more scarce. But if we can establish a sustainable world, in other words, waste material, one of the most important waste materials is carbon dioxide, which actually, if you think of the natural evolution, this is the main starting material for all organic compounds. We came from carbon dioxide originally, and water. So water is luckily still reasonably abundantly available. But carbon sources are becoming increasingly, more scarce. As you know, the gasoline or fuel, the carbon fuel needs carbon source, and CO2 has been considered to be a waste material. If only we chemists or we human beings can recycle carbon dioxide into a usable carbon, more useful carbon items, then our society, our world will become much more sustainable.
Thank you, Dr. Negishi. Thank you for being with us on Comcast Newsmakers. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm Kevin Rader.